So h-oidhche, h-oidhen. H means hour, and h-oidhen means hours. So we need both of those for telling time. So h-oidhche, h-oidhen. Next one, mionaid, meadhan. Oh, it says hour, hours. No, it's wrong. Minutes, minutes. So mionaid, meadhan. Mionaid, meadhan. Okay, minutes. Okay, so h-oidhche, h-oidhche means past. Well, when we're telling time is past, so half past, quarter past. Or it can mean after as well. And sometimes it's h-oidhche and sometimes it's an-j, and it's the same thing. Okay. h-oidhche and j, the same thing. Okay, and means past. Okay, carshchel as j, carshchel as j. Carshchel means quarter. Carshchel as j means quarter past. Carshchel as j. Carshchel as j. Quarter past. Okay, fichead minute as j. Fichead minute as j. 20 past. But fichead doesn't take plural, so that's why it's not fichead minute, it's fichead minute as j. So it's a score, basically. That's why. Score. So fichead minute as j, 20 past. Le word as j. So you are already familiar with the word le, meaning half. So le word as j, half past. Le word as j, half past. Okay, so good. Good. Good means two. That could also mean till or until, but in time it's two. Good. Carshchel good. Quarter two. Carshchel good. Fichead minute good. Fichead minute good. 22. And no, the clock is wrong. Fichead minute good. And this is meadhan. Meadhan. Midday or noon. Or meadhan. Middle of the day. Midday. Mionaid. Mionaid. Midnight. The middle of the night. Mionaid. You already know this one. Ansavating. Ansavating. It literally means in the morning. Ansavating, but we use it with time. We use it as AM. Ansavating. And for PM, we use feske. You already know this word as well. Feske. So when we say ansavating, we use ounce, so in the morning, but with feske, we don't use anything, it's just feske. Next one is fat and la. Fat and la. All day. Fat and la. It's all day. It's fat na h-oidhche. all night. So h-oidhche being feminine noun, that's why it's like this. So fatna h-oidhche. So if you wanted to say all afternoon, it would be fat anesker. So the same as fat and la, because they're both masculine nouns. h-oidhche is a feminine one, so fatna h-oidhche. So if you wanted to do all morning, fatna matne. Okay. So the h-oidhche also starts with the vowel. That's why the h. So fatna h-oidhche with the h. So fatna h-oidhche, fatna matne, fatna njeska, fatna la. Okay. Okay. So to ask what time it is, you say je nuar a hae. Je and uar a hae. Je nuar a hae. And to answer this, you say hae, and then you add the hour. You add the time. And that's pretty much it. So it's not a lot. It's actually quite easy. It's just remembering this. So as J and G, and also remembering le uar, fichead minach, and kashchel. That's basically it. So very easy. Provided you remember your numbers too, but that's not too difficult. Up to 12, everybody would remember.
So how would you say like at 7 a.m.?
So you want to, yeah. So like, I'll meet you at 7 a.m., yeah? Sjacht uaren. Sjacht uaren. You use ik to say at. So ik sjacht uaren. I might add it to the set actually. Ik sjacht uaren aansvaten. Ik sjacht uaren. Ik meen la.
Okay.
In dinach, Giag as J da.
Okay.
As J ga in this case. If you want to add uar, so J da uar then. Yeah. You can just say hi in village Giag as J ga, and after two, like past two. Yeah. So if you don't add uar, it's ga. If you do add uar, then it's da uar.
Okay.
Two. Remember, two is a special one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So with 1 o'clock, we just say uar. Okay. Hi, Castles J uar. Carden quarter past one. Yeah, let's say Castles J uar, and uar means 1 o'clock.